Each year at this time, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, forecasts the number of Atlantic hurricanes we'll have for the year. NOAA has been wrong 3 out of the last 4 years and 7 out of the last 11 years. The National Center for Public Policy Research believes there may be a better way. So we commissioned a forecast by our own climate expert. Meet Dr. James Hansimian, climate expert and Margaret and H.A. Ray Fellow at Pan Troglodytes University. He's the author of the book The Banana Curve, No Tricks Needed, published by East Anglia University Press. Dr. Hansimian, what's your prediction? Dr. Hansimian used the most rigorous, time-tested, reliable methodology in providing you with this forecast.
Number 6, roll 6. Number 6.
Okay, Dr. Hansimian, we know there'll be a minimum of 6 hurricanes this year. Now let's find out the maximum.
8, big 8, rolling big 8.
Every precaution has been made to ensure the highest level of professionalism and accuracy, so you can depend on it. Which is the better forecast, NOAA's or Dr. Hansimian's? We'll find out at the end of hurricane season.